Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another bot designer for Discord video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like, and all that cool stuff. If you haven't watched my previous video and you're watching this video for some reason without watching the previous one, trust me, you're not gonna understand what this video is about. So go watch that one first. Open the app. Then you're greeted with this lovely menu where it shows all of your bot name. Obviously for you guys this is blurred. I'm just gonna go to the actual bot that we're gonna have. So initially you have a bunch of options on the top right corner. You have the settings icon, click on that. You can enable a bunch of options here, you can read them. Obviously we don't have that much time, and I'm really not trying to make this video too long because, you know, no one likes long videos. So obviously you can read this. So we're gonna go back. So click on your bot that we created in the previous video. So here you have a bunch of actions, things you can do. First one basically allows you to invite the bot to your server. If you click on it, basically if you click on this button now, it'll take you to the developer thingy where you can invite your bot to your server. Go back. And then the second thing you have is basically you can add free hosting time. If you click on it, it'll give you a CAPTCHA code that you need to fill in, and then it'll host your bot for 30 minutes. It's great for testing and developing your bot. Third one, you can actually host your bot for 90 minutes if you watch one ad. Then the fourth one is, you can add premium time if you have premium. If you don't have to worry about that. Then the next one actually stops your bot. So if your bot's hosted and you just want to shut it down, you can click on that. And then the next one is if you have issues with hosting, you can click on that. And basically what that does is it tells you your server status. So the bot your server is being hosted on, if it's down, this will be red. And you can't really do anything about that, and it's going to be an issue on bot designer for Discord side, so they'll fix it as soon as possible. Second one, your bot token status. So if everything's working, this will be green, but if you reset your token in the developer portal, this will be red. So you just need to update your token in the app. Then the next one, if you're in the bot designer for Discord server, the official one, they have giveaways there, and if you win them, they give you a code that you can redeem here. You can just paste it here, and it'll give you some free hosting time, hopefully. Then you can open the wiki. If you click on it, basically you can just read all of this, and then you have the index where you have guides, resources, and then BDScript language, premium, JavaScript, and all the callbacks. Then they have this advertisement for their premium, basically premium option. Then you have premium content, and then the last thing is Changelog. This is basically what they added to the app, like the latest. So recently they added /ID, they fixed the /command reordering and all that cool stuff. So if you look at the navbar at the bottom and you click on the second one, here you can create commands. You basically have a command creator, so you can check boxes and create a very cool command. However, do not recommend that because this is very basic. Obviously you can do this, but it's just too basic. So you just click the little purple icon, click on that, and here you can actually write the code, and you can add the trigger and add it to a folder so it shows beneath that folder or under that folder. So you have the scripting language, you can select BDScript or whichever one you want to. For starters, just go with the normal BDScript or BDScript 2. It will work for you. Then you have variables. Just so you guys know, I will make an entirely separate video on just variables because it's a very deep topic and it'll take time to learn it. So yeah, watch out for that video. So next one, here you can add a Discord status for your bot. You can select a prefix from the drop down menu. You can select which one, so competing in, let's say, in the server. So then you have that, then you save it, and then it'll show the status and the bot. So then you go back, not there. Here you can basically see all of the available functions that the app has. It's an entirely long, like never-ending list, so you can just go through that or search. And then the last one is the settings. Here you can name your bot and then you can paste your token. You have the text tutorial option. You can click on this one or the one on my website, which is bdfdguide.tk/start. Then you can watch a video tutorial. I don't think you need this because this one's literally the same thing, so you can click on that if you want to. Then the third one is developer portal. So if you just want to go to the developer portal, click on this link. And then if you want to restart your bot, you can click this button right here that says restart the bot. It will actually, if your bot's not working, it'll restart the bot and hopefully it starts working. Then you have other settings. Here you can sync your gateway intent settings. Just click sync intents, go back. Then you have slash commands. You can sync slash commands with Discord. I will also make an entirely different video on slash commands as well. You don't have to worry about that for now. Then you have integrations. So you can basically paste your Discord bots access token here if you have one, and you'll have your server count published. Then if you want to share your bot commands with other people, you can create a share code and then you can share with other people so they can have all the commands your bot has. And then like it says danger zone, if you want to delete your bot, I don't think you should, because deleting bots is just sad, sad. But if you want to, just click on that and delete your bot. So there you guys have it, a very beginner friendly overview of the bot designer for Discord app. Hopefully you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. My throat hurts very much. I'm gonna drink some water. I'm gonna stay hydrated. Hopefully you guys do too. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.